What separates good shooters from true clay-breaking masters isn't raw speed. It's control, timing, and precision. Today, we're going all in on one of the most effective systems from world-class coach and shooter Ben Husthwaite, the swing-through with negative hold technique. This isn't just another tip you'll forget tomorrow. It's a carefully structured method that builds rhythm, removes hesitation, and transforms reactive shooting into smooth, controlled performance. If you're ready to consistently smoke targets and elevate your game, this is where your journey to mastery begins. Before we continue, I want to say something from the heart. Making videos like this takes a lot of time, research, practice, and real effort on the range. I genuinely work hard to bring you techniques that actually help you improve your clay shooting. Not just theory, but real experience. So if you appreciate this effort, take 1 second to support the channel. Hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more shooters. Subscribe if you want to keep learning and improving together. And drop a comment below. Your feedback tells me what you want to learn next. Your support motivates me to create even better and more detailed videos for this clay shooting community. And most importantly, share this video with your friends who love clay shooting. Let's help more shooters improve together and build a strong shooting community. Now, let's get back to the technique and start breaking down Ben Husthwaite's system. Who is Ben Husthwaite? Ben Husthwaite is known for turning complex shooting mechanics into simple, repeatable systems. His coaching philosophy centers on natural gun movement, strong visual discipline, timing over aiming, and consistency through a clear process. Instead of forcing accuracy, he teaches shooters to let movement create precision. The focus shifts away from overthinking and toward building reliable instinct through structured practice. By removing unnecessary mental noise, shooters react more naturally and confidently. Husthwaite's method proves that elite performance doesn't come from trying harder. It comes from trusting trained motion, allowing the eyes to lead and the body to execute smoothly every time. Make sure you watch till the end because the final tip is where most shooters completely change their results. Core principle: movement creates accuracy. Traditional shooters often try to calculate lead, thinking they must aim precisely. But Ben Husthwaite's philosophy flips that idea. Your brain already understands speed and distance if you let your body move naturally. The swing-through method relies on flow, not forced calculation. First, your eyes pick up the target. Then your body matches the clay's speed automatically. The gun flows through the line with controlled acceleration, letting rhythm guide the shot. When movement is smooth and coordinated, accuracy comes effortlessly. In clay shooting, trust motion, not measurement, to hit more targets consistently. Pay close attention here. This is where Ben Husthwaite's method really works. Understanding negative hold. The negative hold point is the foundation of this system. Instead of holding on the expected target line, you position the gun slightly behind it. Why? Because starting behind creates better visual pickup, reduced panic movement, smooth acceleration toward the target. You allow the clay to enter your visual control before engaging the gun. This removes rushed reactions, the biggest cause of missed shots. The swing-through sequence. This small adjustment can instantly improve your hit rate. Step 1. Visual priority. Eyes lock onto the pickup point before calling, pull. Vision leads everything. Step 2. Controlled. Start gun begins behind the target line, relaxed and balanced. Step 3. Match speed. As the clay appears, move smoothly, never aggressively. Step 4. accelerate through. The gun flows through the target line with increasing speed. Step 5. Commit and follow through. Fire as the barrel passes the correct lead, and continue the swing after the shot. Stopping the gun kills accuracy. Movement must continue beyond the trigger pull. Why? Husthwaite's method works. Ben Husthwaite emphasizes one key truth. Shooters miss not because they lack skill, but because they interrupt movement. Negative hold removes tension. Swing through builds rhythm. Rhythm builds timing. Timing creates consistency. When movement becomes predictable, results become repeatable. Common errors shooters make even experienced shooters struggle when they start too close to the target line, rush the swing, check the barrel mid-shot, stop the gun after firing. Think instead of reacting. Husthwaite's system eliminates these errors by simplifying the process. Before we finish, I just want to thank every single one of you watching this video. Until the next session, stay focused, trust your swing, and keep smoking those targets.